Now we are going to discuss the next topic is about the synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators, the one which are made in the factories or maybe in the laboratories. Then we are going to discuss about olfactory indicators, in which that means the smell is going to change. Then we have got the best indicator, that is indicators of the universal indicators. Universal indicators will tell you not only about whether it is an acid or a base, or it will also indicate about the actual measurement, that is the pH of the solutions. How we do it? Let's see it. Now, synthetic indicators, they are artificially prepared, right? So you take two unknown solutions of two different beakers and you put phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein is taken in a drop and you add it to both of the beakers and mix them, both of them. When you mix them, one solution does not change the color, but in the other one, the color which was transparent, now it get converted into the pink color. Now what is that indicating? Colorless to pink indicates that the solution is a base. The solution in which the color is not changed is an acid, और जिसमें color change हो जाता है, pink बन जाता है phenolphthalein के एक दो drop add करने पर, तो that is a base, right? Okay, phenolphthalein is not changing the color in acid, but in base बोलो इधर क्या होता है, pink color का change हो जाता है. याद हो गया? हाँ, phenolphthalein pink in what? Base. Colorless in acid, right? Okay, some chemical substances such as phenolphthalein, methyl orange, ocene are also indicators, and these are synthetic indicators. Now what do you understand by the synthetic indicators? That means they are artificially made. Okay, let us discuss more about this indicator. The one is the methyl orange. Phenolphthalein we have already seen. And we have got this methyl orange. Methyl orange is the indicator which is used in the laboratory. If you put it into the acid, it will turn somewhat red. And if you put it in the base, it will turn somewhat yellowish in color. Phenolphthalein, as I've already seen, that in the acidic solution, the color will not change. But if it is a basic solution, what will happen? It will get converted into the pink color. So I'm going to give you some of these samples now. And you are going to give me what happens when it is put into the red litmus solution, blue litmus solution, phenolphthalein solution, or the methyl orange solutions. Let's start. HCl. HCl is, yes, acid. What happens when it is put into the red litmus solution? No change. What happens when it is put into the blue litmus solution? Changes red. Phenolphthalein में क्या होगा अगला? हाँ? फिनोप्थिलीन लिया, फिनोप्थिलीन में होकर के क्या हो जाएगा? बोलो बोलो बोलो. Yes, it will remain colorless. And what about when it is put into the methyl orange solution? It will turn red, right? Okay, now what is sulfuric acid H2SO4? Red litmus solution में क्या होगा? No change. Blue litmus solution में क्या होगा? Turns red. Phenolphthalein solution का क्या रहेगा? Colorless. Methyl orange turns red. Now let us take solution of nitric acid HNO3. What will happen in red litmus solution? Tell me, no change. Blue litmus solution turns red. Phenolphthalein colorless. Methyl orange turns red. Now what about acetic acid? It's a weak acid. What happens in red litmus solution? No change. Blue litmus solution, bolo, turns blue. Phenolphthalein, colorless. Methyl orange turns orange. Why? Because it is a weak acid. Okay. Now NaOH, what is NaOH? NaOH is a base. What happens to the red litmus solution? It turns blue. What happens to blue litmus solution? No change भाई. क्यों change होगा? Blue litmus में base change color नहीं करता है. Phenolphthalein डाल दिया 2 बूंदे, pink हो जाता है. Methyl orange में it turns yellow. चूना का पानी, CaOH whole twice, what happens? It turns blue in red litmus solution. Blue litmus solution, no change. Phenolphthalein will turn pink and methyl orange will turn yellow. Now KOH, very strong base. In red litmus solution, it will turn blue. Blue litmus solution will have no change on it. Phenolphthalein will change into lovely pink and methyl orange will turn yellow. Why? Because it is base. Magnesium hydroxide. Chalo, bolte jao. Yes. And what happened to NH4OH? It is a weak base. Now red litmus solution will change it into blue. And in blue litmus solution, there will be no change. Phenolphthalein, yes, it will turn into pink. And methyl orange will turn into slight yellow color. Okay, now you know that all the bases, it will change color to what. And in acid also, you know the changes, right? So now you can answer all my questions in the test, right? Chalo. Next, here we're going to discuss about the olfactory indicators, that is the indicators which are used by just smells. Take two pieces of onions, just slice them into round slices and then put it into two beakers and smell them. First smell both. They will be having the pungent smell, no? Okay, now you put it into two solution. One is acidic and other is base. In one of the beakers, the smell remains, and in the other beaker, that is this beaker, if you put the onion slice and again smell it, the smell is gone. Right? Onion smell as it is in the first one, and the smell is gone in other solution. जिसमें स्मेल रह जाता है भाई वो तो एसिड है, जिसमें स्मेल चला जाता है, that is a base, right? Okay, so onion has the capacity to retain the smell when it is dipped into the acidic solution, and if it is dipped into the basic solution, the smell is gone. Right? Okay, so by smell, you can find out whether it is an acid or it is a base. So this type of the indicators are known as the olfactory indicators. So what are the other indicators? हाँ, smell हम लोगों को बता देता है ना, तो यहाँ पर हमारे दिमाग को पता चल जाता है. Okay, so onion is one of the example, and the other olfactory indicators are, what are they? Onion, clove. Clove means long. Then vanilla essence and vanilla pods. See, these are vanilla. This is not the one which you get it in the like जो आता है ना मम्मी केक बनाते हैं वो ना सिंथेटिक होता है, ये सिंथेटिक नहीं है, ये नेचुरल वनीला है. देखो एलोवेरा जैसा ही दिखता है लेकिन एलोवेरा नहीं है, इसकी स्मेल वैसी ही होती है जैसे चॉकलेट के अंदर से वनीला की स्मेल आती है ना वो. तो वनीला एसेंस इसका जो एक्सट्रैक्ट लेकर के बनाते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द वनीला एसेंस, राइट? उसका भी एसिड में डालोगे तो कोई स्मेल का चेंज नहीं होता, लेकिन जब बेस में डालते हैं ना तो उसकी कलर उड़ जाती है. वैसे ही लौंग का भी होता है. लौंग का एसिड में कोई चेंज नहीं होता स्मेल का, लेकिन जैसे बेस में डालोगे ना तो लौंग की जो खुशबू होती है ना वो चली जाती है. तो इक्लिप्टस, नीलगिरी, नीलगिरी देखे हो आपने, बड़े बड़े पेड़ होते हैं, उनका पत्ता अगर तोड़ोगे या फिर उसके बीच से ऑयल निकालते हैं, जो विक्स में होता है, अमृतांजन में होता है, वो जो स्मेल होता है ना यूकलिप्टस का, वो एकदम टिपिकल स्मेल होता है. अगर उसको आपने एसिड में डाल दिया तो स्मेल में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगी, लेकिन बेस में डालोगे गया. ठीक है. सो दीज आर शोइंग एस वेदर द सब्सटेंस इज एसिड और अ बेस just by using what? The smell. So these are called as what? These are called as the olfactory indicators. Okay. In acid, the smell remains. And in the base, the odor goes away. Take, remember this. Now we're going to talk about the universal indicator. What is a universal indicator? Universal indicator is the one which is kept in the laboratories. Now you can see it's a mixture of several indicators, and so that is the reason it is known as the universal indicator. This is the bottle generally kept in the laboratories, and it has got the pH and it will show you a particular color. Now if the pH of a solution is 0, it will show you this color, and if the pH goes on increasing, the color will change, and for every pH you have got a certain fixed color, and it is given as a universal paper for the indicator. Whatever the color you get, You just compare and find out the pH of the solution. Easy, na? You will do it in the laboratory. क्या करना है? I'll tell you. आपने पहले ये जो solution है ना, यहाँ जो लिया है, इसको बीकर के अंदर में डालना है. Color change. Right. Now, how do you know what is the pH of the solution? You have to take this paper to compare. Compare the color what you got in the beaker with this paper, and you can, if the color matches, suppose the color is exactly of this color, that is this yellow, right? So you can say that the pH of the solution is equal to 2. But if you get the color like this blue, so you can say the pH is equal to 9. If you get this color, you will say the pH is equal to 11. Just compare and find it out, right? The universal indicator not only tells whether the substance is an acid or a base, or you can also test how strong the acid is, a base or an acid. See, the substances which is having the pH which is less than 7, it is all acidic. The strongest is 0, and then it goes on increasing. The basicity goes on increasing, the acidic property will go on decreasing. But if you go above 7, the basic property goes on increasing, and the maximum is 14, right?